Hi everybody, it's Mr. Like. I'm right here at Like Labs, and I'm wondering, how did your plants do? Did you get them to grow inside your glove? Well, I'm usually not very good at growing some things, but I decided to, why not give it a try? I hung my glove right here in Like Labs, right from the ceiling next to this light. Should we see how it went? Grab your glove and let's see if we can't make some observations about what happened there. So now that I've gotten my glove off the ceiling, I can make some really cool observations about what's going on in the glove. An observation is something I can figure out using my senses. What do I see? What do I smell? What do I feel? Those kinds of things are called observations. So the first observation I think I can definitely figure out is I can see some stuff has happened. I've got a really long plant growing right here, and I got another one that looks like it's going pretty well here. This one's barely coming out of the seed, and this corn here also barely coming out of the seed, and this one barely did anything at all. Let's talk about the one that really grew the biggest. One of the questions that I have is which seed grew the tallest? Scientists like to ask questions about things, and the first question I think we can figure out is which one is the biggest? Which one grew the tallest? And I think just looking at it, I can tell you that the one right here in the pinky of my glove, it grew the tallest. Whenever we look to see how big something grew, one of the things we've got to do is we've got to try and measure it. Let's see if we can't do that. So whenever we want to look at something and how big it is, it's usually a good idea to measure. This thing's about this long. Now how long is that? It's definitely longer than this one, the sunflower seed. It's only this long. So this long and this long, you can see that they are different lengths. We use a ruler in order to measure things. Now a ruler has two different sides. It has one side that counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 inches. This is what we call a foot. And there are 12 inches in a foot. An inch is about the size of your knuckle, just one knuckle from there to there. That's about an inch. So we could see how many inches it is. In science, a lot of times we use the other side of the ruler. This is called centimeters, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 centimeters on this ruler. And a lot of times we see how many centimeters long it is. Now a centimeter is about the size of your pinky, maybe the nail of your pinky, that's about a centimeter. So what we can do is we can measure how long this thing has gone. So to do that, we want to take our ruler and we want to put the bottom of the plant right here. I'll put the cotton ball right there at the 0, and I want to count how many centimeters there are until we get all the way to the edge. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then this one's right here at about 12. The longest plant there, we would say, is 12 centimeters. What about this short one? Let's do the short one just for practice. So this short one here, if I put the ruler right here at the bottom, right here at the cotton ball, I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here at 5. 5 centimeters is that one. So we can see that 12 centimeters, this one, is much bigger than 5 centimeters over here. 12 is bigger than 5. These other ones are really, really small. I'm not even going to bother measuring them because they're really small. They're barely just coming out of the seeds. Can you measure how tall your plants are?